In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture into Google Slides. This is a straightforward process that will make your presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First, just open up your web browser and go to Google Slides. It's an incredibly useful tool found in your Google Apps, alongside others like Google Docs and Sheets. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Simply use your email address and password to access your account. Signing in is essential because it syncs your work, ensuring you can access your presentation from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can create a new presentation or access your existing ones. If you're starting fresh, you'll want to click on Blank Presentation. However, if you prefer a little flair, you can opt for one of Google's many templates that offer a more designed approach to your slides from the get-go. With your blank presentation or chosen template open, move your attention to the menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Insert option in the top menu. This feature is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your slides, including images, text boxes, and even videos. To add a picture, hover over Image in the drop-down menu that appears. There you'll find several choices for adding images. Click on Photos. This option allows you to bring images from Google Photos directly into your presentation. Next, click on Google Photos. This opens up your Google Photos library, where you can select any image you like. This is incredibly useful if you've previously uploaded pictures from your smartphone or another device. Just scroll through your library, find the image that best complements your presentation, and click on it. Your chosen image will appear on your slide. From here, you can resize and reposition the picture as you see fit. Simply click and drag the corners of the image to adjust its size, or click and drag the entire image to move it to a new location on the slide. And there you go, your picture is now part of your Google Slides presentation. Experiment with your layout until it looks just right, and always preview your slide to ensure everything is in the correct position. Taking the time to insert and properly format images can significantly enhance the overall appearance and impact of your presentation. Remember, Google Slides auto saves your work, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. And that's how easy it is. I hope this has been helpful and you feel more confident in enhancing your presentations with images. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.